Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 350. This watch includes the following counties. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 350, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Lee, Marshall, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Wisconsin.
I just realized that it was for my county. I just right now realized that.
A severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.